Hi, I'm Joshua Finkel, the creator and the director of the new Actor Masterclass Intensives at New Musicals, Inc., and the owner of the Creative Combustion Acting Studio in Studio City. I am thrilled to be able to present two different versions of one of my favorite classes, Build Your Own Cabaret Act class. There's a 4-session class and a 10-session class. Both give you the same skills, just different lengths of acts that you'll be building. Obviously, a shorter one in the 4 class and a longer one in the 10th class. But they'll be memorized, they will be polished, and you will create and learn how to create patter, specialty material, and build your own cabaret songbook that's so detailed and easy to read that you can bring it to any pianist, throw it down in front of them at an open mic or at an audition, and from patter through underscoring through the specialty material, anyone will be able to follow it and play it. It's very exciting and gives you all this flexibility to showcase this wonderful gem of a cabaret set anywhere you go. I will also teach you how to update your act so that it never feels stale, and it will always build your audience base because you can always provide new material and new sections to your act all the time, so that an audience will never say, oh, I've seen his act or I've seen her act, I know what it is. They won't, because it'll always be fresh and new, and it'll always keep your audience coming back. You'll learn great mic technique, and you'll get a video at the end, so you can use it for promo material to book your act all over the places, from cruise ships through various clubs to the top clubs in New York and Los Angeles and Chicago. Come check it out. I think you'll really enjoy learning how to build your own original cabaret act set.